Brian, 31. He's spent most of his life mastering the craft. From northern Michigan, USA, to the world stage, this seasoned technician is ready. WTGP, a once-in-a-lifetime battle. Over 40 hours of practice and continuous learning each week. All for this, he says, last step to prove himself and his knowledge. He is backed by the support of his peers and his track record at the dealership. With that in mind, he aims for victory. Yamaha Motors' 70th anniversary. The name of the champion may be Brian. Entry numbered 5, Brian Ladner, the Banshee.